Welcome back, everybody. Tonight I want to show you something a little special with the Blackstone Air Fryer Combo. I have the Blackstone Air Fryer preheated to high heat. I have these scrumptious looking 12-ounce beef fillets. I'm going to spray them with duck fat, and we're going to sprinkle them with Blackstone Steakhouse seasoning. These are the packets that we gave out on the Griddle More Tour last year, and into the Blackstone Air Fryer. Now I can just relax and enjoy this 70-degree Front Range Colorado day. Griddle More Tour 2020 coming up. Meanwhile, I'll cut up some white mushrooms. I have my Blackstone griddle top on low, olive oil, and we'll drop those mushrooms. Shout out to Milt from Florida for the liquid smoke assortment. I love this stuff. It is great on mushrooms. And I'm going to pair that with some hickory smoked sea salt that a New Jersey subscriber also gave to me. Finish those up with a little bit of black pepper. Don't those look delicious? I'll take a few internal steak temperature readings, and when they're about 3/4 of the way through, I'm going to top them off with butter, crumbled blue cheese, and fresh chives. A few minutes later, you're at the ultimate steakhouse. Take a look at that. Everybody wants to know exact cooking times, but you're just gonna have to take frequent temperature readings. And today's fillets took about 22 to 24 minutes. All right, folks, I've lost my light tonight. These are cooked a nice medium. Let's give it a try. For those about to rock. What more can I say? You know, I've been fooling around with steaks in the air fryer for the last month or two. Wow. Blow your mind. The outside gets crispy, and then you can bring the inside up to temperature. They are packed with flavor, and I'm telling you what, I love steaks on the griddle top. I love them if you cook them right. They're perfect. But steaks in the air fryer, a whole nother level. Let's see, questions and comments. A guy just asked me the other day, and I get this question quite a bit. Todd, why do you not weigh 750 pounds? What's the answer to that? Well, guess what? I don't eat double cheeseburgers, and I don't lay at the griddle all day long. I love cooking on the griddle. It is so much fun. But when I'm not cooking on the griddle, what am I eating? Smoothies, drinking orange juice, having oatmeal. You just can't eat like that 24/7. And as I'm getting older, I definitely have compassion for anybody that struggles with weight, with high cholesterol and things like that. Don't think that I don't struggle with that, but I hit the gym in the basement. I'm on the treadmill, I'm out walking the dog, and I'm not only eating double cheeseburgers. So hopefully that's some encouragement for you folks. Rastellis, I mentioned them in the last video. Well, it turns out I was just told that the discount codes might not be going out yet. It might be another month. Anyway, so stay tuned for that. But the Rastellis meat, those burgers yesterday, out of this world. So thanks for watching, everybody, and until next time, this is Todd saying praise the Lord and pass the fillets.